What are you jumping at? This is what the plate looks like after, I don't know, whenever it was I gave her the last one. I've been using this one ever since. There you go. I feel bad because her ears get in the honey. Didn't take it too long to figure out to put her foot on it to hold it. You like that? Whenever I asked Taya if she liked something, she'd wag her tail to let me know yes. This one doesn't do that yet. She's been sitting outside watching the birds and the chipmunk. Every time I go check on her, she's just sitting there watching. She didn't even want to come in and get this. Here's all my bird food. I filled everything up. And I got these 2 buckets full. This one's full of the Niger food mixed with the Finch food mixed with a wild bird blend. And that one's my cracked corn. I got that much cracked corn left. I haven't had to open this yet because I still have some from last year left over. If she gets done with that, I'll be able to reuse it again for another week. I feel guilty throwing it away now. It's nice and clean. She already had her Kong peanut butter and cookie treat this morning. That's it? You're not going to go back to the plate? We need to go back to it for a minute. Oh. Great. I'm going to have to listen to that all day. Oh no, that's a leaf blower. There's a guy down there below me has a... Oh, you get kisses. Oh. The guy down there has a pile of log length load of logs to cut up for his firewood. This is the guy to my left. His relatives from Connecticut come up and help him out on the weekends. I believe it's his granddaughter and her boyfriend. They come up every Saturday and they do something over there. They're from Connecticut. I think I just said that. You going back out? Okay, but I gotta tie you up. Hang on. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.